Discover the beauty of Blue Lagoon, one of the most vibrant shades in the Bobilon color palette. Inspired by the crystal-clear waters of a tropical lagoon, Blue Lagoon is fresh, bold, and full of life. It's the perfect choice for crochet handbags, stylish home decor, baskets, rugs, and modern handmade accessories that instantly stand out. Bobilon T-Shirt Yarn is made from 100% new cotton jersey, delivering beautiful stitch definition, excellent shape retention, and a comfortable crafting experience. Every color is available in multiple yarn thicknesses, so you can choose the perfect option for any project. With 55 permanent colors to explore, it's easy to find the perfect shade for your next handmade creation.